Hi, we're SHA Engineering, and our project this year was the Sterchi Lodge deck renovation / retrofit. Our team is made up of 7 seniors within the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville.
For this project, SGA was tasked with determining the capacity of the deck as well as designing a retrofit to maintain 100 pounds per square foot of live load capacity. To do so, structural and geotechnical analyses were performed, followed by design of structural additions and development of geotechnical recommendations. It was also specified that SGA hold paramount the preservation of the old-growth redwood decking during the design process.
In order to meet our clients' needs, multiple engineering services were rendered to evaluate and improve the Sterchi Lodge deck. First, a complete site survey was conducted. Additionally, a structural analysis of the main deck, side deck, and all deck connections was performed. Additionally, designs were developed in order to increase the deck capacity. Also, a geotechnical investigation was performed where soil strength and settlement were analyzed and predicted. The stability of the soil was determined and long-term geotechnical solutions were provided.
As a team, we have identified 3 significant challenges for this project. First, maintaining the same look of the deck required our team to work within the constraints of the current deck layout members. Therefore, optimal beam placement had to be found and connections were designed to avoid removing existing connections.
The final challenge was construction, due to the lodge's remote location and limited access around the lodge, along with trying to keep costs low. To do this, we decided to use small equipment and processes that could be performed by non-professionals.
By completing this project, a positive outcome for our client is the peace of mind and the confidence that the Sterchi Lodge deck will be functional and safe for large gatherings, whether that be for members of the church or for people renting out the cabin.
A few things that SGA benefited from this year are meeting and working with new people in our senior design class, getting a real design experience working with both wood and steel, interacting with local professionals who served as our technical mentors. We are grateful for the opportunity to perform our skill of taking principles to practice and to have had a wonderful experience throughout the entirety of the project. A special thank you to the University of Tennessee and the local community for supporting the next generation of civil engineers.
I think the CE 400 experience was super interesting because you got to have a deeper understanding of the material that you had learned throughout the entirety of your college career by being able to implement it into a real-life project.
We are SGA Engineering, ready to serve!